Hey guys, it's Slightly Infernal, and I'm back from the theater. I was just seeing a show. Doesn't matter. Whatever. Okay, but the initial 2 to 3 hours are past, so I cleaned my tattoo very carefully with water and some natural soap. Not cleaning, I just drizzle slowly and patting it to get dry. And then I applied cream, skincare cream. It's so difficult to see. It looks so straight from the hand, and when I turn my head, it's it looks crooked, but it's not. And the most important part is that I see it in the right space. So that's cool. So yes, and it doesn't hurt anymore, which is nice. It stopped hurting after about an hour and a half, something like that, an hour to 2 hours. And it's still really sore, so I'm being careful, and I'm trying not to touch anything really. It's so that's that. See you guys later.